Welcome back to the channel. Today is September the 20th, 2025, and we're in front of the BUC-EE'S construction site in Huber Heights, Ohio.
This week, we're standing across the street from the main entrance where we were last week. We're at the intersection of Arts Road and State Route 235, safely behind a new guardrail that they just installed. We're standing across the street this week because they've made some changes to the road. Now driving on that new section of State Route 235 that they just put the asphalt down and the retaining wall has been removed. Thought it might be a little safer to stand over here this week. You can still see the BUC-EE'S behind us. We've also got a security car sitting at the entrance to the new BUC-EE'S, probably since that retaining wall is gone now. Worried about people driving down in there. As far as the updates this week, looks like most all the equipment that they had to put on the roof has been installed. The brickwork continues on the north side of the front of the building. They've now installed scaffolding on the north side of the building to get the brick installed over there. The front part of the building on the north side, there used to be a big mound of dirt there. That's all been leveled out and it looks pretty good now. You can kind of get a better view of the BUC-EE'S from State Route 235 than you could before. We've also installed a little more concrete throughout the site. Seems like every week we come down here, you see a little more concrete's been put in place. I'd really hate to see the bill just for the concrete over there, because if anyone's ever had any concrete work done, it's not cheap, and I couldn't even begin to guess how much concrete they've got poured over there. It's still a lot more to go. This past week, it was announced on the news, spokesperson for BUC-EE'S stated that the grand opening for this store right here would be in April of 2026. They didn't name a specific date, but April is the target month. So we continue to get closer to that grand opening. And then what are we going to do every week, Sonny? We won't be able to, we won't have a weekly BUC-EE'S construction update video to do.
Well, I'm sure we'll get suggestions from our subscribers.
We'll just have to go into the store, and with all the different items that they sell, we should have an endless supply of content to bring you from inside the store.
And seasonal items.
Yeah, the Christmas, the Halloween, the 4th of July. So there'll be a lot to keep us busy. Well, I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and give the video some hype points to help it get pushed out to more viewers. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these BUC-EE'S construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
One of the things that's different from last week is they've installed this guardrail at the corner of Arts Road and State Route 235. I know that when they first put that island up, we'd seen where that stop sign right there with the no left turn sign had been hit by, we're guessing, a truck. So it's possible that they put this guardrail up to protect that sign or keep people from driving over the curb. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see all the bricks on the south side of the front of the building are completed. Scaffolding's in place on the north side of the front of the building to start with the brickwork. The south side of the building now has the scaffolding in place to install the bricks. The back of the store, you can see where the loading docks are going to be installed. Here's a better look at the roof. You can see all the equipment that was on the ground last week has now been installed on the roof. Here's a look at the main entrance to the Buc-ee's from State Route 235. This area in front of the store here, adjacent to State Route 235, it's been cleared out, leveled, and looks like they're getting ready to put the final touches on this area here. This is the northern entrance to the Buc-ee's, across the street from Center Point Boulevard. Here you can see the changes in State Route 235 from last week. They now have you driving on that new lane. The retaining wall has been removed. This is the exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235. You can see the improvements that have been made here since last week. The exit ramp is still not open,